So this is a quick review of the lights on the Honda NC750X, the 2025 version with the LED headlights. As you can see, at the moment I'm riding with dipped beam and the fog lights are on, and I'm in on a street lit road, and the lights are actually pretty good. Hopefully you'll be able to pick this up on the camera footage. I don't know if this road has street lights all the way down. If it doesn't, I will. So I'm flashing there my main beam, which doesn't make much difference because there are street lights down this road, but you can clearly see the flash. This bit here might be a bit better. Oh no, the street lights all the way down by the looks of it. But even so, the lights are doing a pretty good job. You can also see the view of the CFT in the dark alongside the Aochi C6 Pro, and I've got the dash cams fitted to this, and the setting at the moment is showing my rear view camera, and it's reasonably good in this street lit environment. I was actually considering buying some additional fog lights, some amber fog lights, just to increase the presence, really, not for any additional light production, if you like. I don't know another way to put it, but literally just for use for other road users to see me. But I don't know if there's enough space left on the crash bars to fit them, so I might not do that. So now we're coming up to an area where there will be no street lights, and I'll be able to try out full beam. But at the moment, the headlights are doing a very good job. So there we go, full beam, dipped beam, full beam, dipped beam. Turn the fog lights off, turn the fog lights on. Do that again. Fog lights on, fog lights off, fog lights on. Main beam, dips beam. Definitely a night for the heated grips. This is actually my first trip out on the NC in the dark, and I'm very impressed with the lights as they are. I'm very impressed with the bike overall, to be honest with you. If I look out over there to my left, the Irish Sea, there's a cruise ship, what looks like coming into Belfast. Actually driving, well, I'd come from Bangor. The little village I'd driven through there was Groomsport. I'm now coming into the town of Donaghadee. And then I'll just be turning around and heading back home. Just a quick trip out to try out the lights. It also gives me a chance to try out the Insta360 cameras in the dark as well. See what their nighttime footage is like. They're both set at 4K, so we'll see how that comes out. This is Donaghadee coming into now. Again, the lights, as we went through Donaghadee there, certainly light up the road in front of you, even with the street lights in. There's no problem at all. When you switch this to sport mode, the exhaust note definitely changes, gets much more throatier. There's a nicer tone to it. Occasionally there's also a bit of a gurgle and a fart in it when you ease off on the throttle. So we're in sport mode at the moment. So it picks up well, there's no problem there. So we've got main beam, lights the road up quite well ahead. So main beam, dips beam, main beam. As you can see now, the dash cam for the rear isn't as good now. I'm sure if a car was to come up behind you, that would change. So there we go. Quick review of the lights on the NC750X 2025 model.